Ever been on a trip and just like not trusted the tap water?
Oh, yeah, totally. Like when you're in a hotel and you're like, what is even in this?
Exactly. Or, sometimes you're like out hiking or something and you're filling up your water bottle from like a stream.
Yeah.
You're just like, you just don't really know.
Yeah. And then you're stuck with that water bottle too for like who knows how long?
Exactly. And then you're like, is this thing clean? Like, am I actually making myself more sick by using this water bottle?
Right.
So that's what we're deep diving into today.
That's what we're looking at.
This is the LARQ bottle.
Uh-huh.
It's a self-cleaning water bottle.
Mm-hmm.
So theoretically, you would never have that. Like, am I making myself sick?
I hope not. Right.
Right. So let's talk about it.
Yeah. So what's cool is that like everybody has this problem, right?
Yeah, totally.
Like who actually washes their water bottle as much as they should?
Like, really washes it.
Yeah, like really scrubs it out.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much guaranteed that there's something growing in there.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And especially if you think about it, even if you wash it out, there's still moisture in the bottle.
Right,
It's
exactly.
a breeding ground.
It's the perfect environment for bacteria.
Exactly. So this bottle is trying to solve that problem.
Yeah.
UVC LED light. So it actually like purifies the water and cleans the inner surfaces of the bottle.
Like those UV lights they have in hospitals.
Yeah, exactly. Like they use them to sanitize hospital equipment. So it's that technology, but like miniaturized into a water bottle.
Wow, so that's like hospital grade cleaning in your backpack.
Yeah,
I
basically.
mean, does that actually work though?
I know, right? So UVC light is a specific wavelength of ultraviolet light, and it's been shown to kill bacteria and viruses.
Oh.
Like it actually like disrupts their DNA, so it's super effective.
Huh. I mean, that makes sense. That's like how sunburns happen, right?
Yeah, actually, yeah, the sun emits UV radiation, but the LARQ bottle uses a mercury-free UVC LED, which is a safer and more environmentally friendly alternative to like the traditional UV lamps.
Oh, okay. So that's good. So you're not like carrying around a tiny mercury bomb or something.
Right, exactly. So it's like safe to use.
That makes me feel better.
So like, you know how sometimes you just like totally forget to clean your water bottle?
Oh, yeah, for like weeks sometimes.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
But the cool thing is that this bottle has a self-cleaning cycle. So it runs every 2 hours and it just zaps away any bacteria that could be building up.
Oh, wow. So even if you forget, it's still cleaning itself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So like I could literally never clean this water bottle and it would still be fine.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I need that in my life.
Right. And like, especially if you're traveling, like I can just imagine this being such a game changer.
Yeah, totally. Like you're always on the go. You don't always have time to like wash your water bottle out.
Exactly. So you just like trust that it's doing its thing.
Okay, but real talk, how bulky is it?
It's actually super lightweight.
Really?
Yeah, and durable. So you could throw it in your backpack and not worry about it breaking.
Right.
And it has a really long battery life, so you don't have to charge it all the time.
So you could like take it on a camping trip and not have to worry about it dying.
Totally. You just charge it with a USB port.
Oh, so like your phone charger.
Yeah, exactly.
That's convenient.
Super convenient. But okay, real talk.
Hit me.
This thing is expensive.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Like, it's an investment for sure.
So is it actually worth it?
I mean, think about it. How much money do you spend on bottled water?
Oh, so much, especially when I'm traveling.
Especially when you're traveling, or even like filters for other water bottles.
Yeah, those filters add up.
They totally add up. So this eliminates that because
yeah.
you're just using regular water
True.
and you're not contributing to all the plastic waste.
That's a good point.
And honestly, like the health benefits of knowing that you're always drinking clean water, like especially when you're traveling.
Yeah, that's huge.
You can get so sick from drinking bad water.
Totally. I've been there.
So it's like you're investing in your health and your peace of mind.
Yeah, for sure. But is it like complicated to use?
No,
Yeah.
not at all.
It's super simple. You literally just fill it with water, press the button to start the purification cycle, and that's it.
And you said it cleans itself.
It cleans itself, yeah.
So you don't have to do anything else.
You just have to rinse it out every now and then and charge it.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Not bad at all. So basically, you can have safe, clean water literally wherever you go.
That's amazing, honestly, like peace of mind in a water bottle.
Right. Imagine you're like hiking in the Himalayas or you're in like a crazy busy city. You don't have to worry about any of that.
You just have your trusty water bottle.
You just have your water bottle that's cleaning itself. You know, it's safe.
You don't have to worry about getting sick.
No more dodgy tap water or like constantly buying plastic bottles.
So much better for the environment, too.
Totally. So if you're someone who like values their health and sustainability and convenience, this is a pretty good option.
Yeah, it seems like it.
It kind of makes you think, how much would you actually pay for that peace of mind?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Like knowing that your water is always safe and clean? I don't know. It makes you think about all the other things we probably overspend on when something like clean water is so important.
Definitely makes you rethink your priorities.
For sure.
So that's the LARQ bottle, a self-cleaning water bottle that might just change how you hydrate forever
And how you travel.
and how you travel.